Hare Krishna. Today we'll be reading and discussing Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, first chapter, text number 15. Yat pada samsraya sutta munaya prasamayana sadhya punande upasprushta स्वर्धूनि आपो अनुसेवया यत्पादसंश्रया सूता मुनया प्रसमायनाः साध्या पुनन्ति उपस्पृष्टाः स्वर्धूनि आपो अनुसेवया यत्पादसंश्रया सूता मुनया प्रसमायनाः सद्या पुनन्ति उपस्पृष्टाः स्वर्धुं नियापो अनुसेवयाः. The word to word meaning are the synonyms of this particular verse as follows. Yat, whose, pada, lotus feet, yat pada, whose feet are whose feet, yat pada, samsraya, those who have taken shelter of, सम्यक रूप से आश्रय लेना. This is the Sanskrit. Samsraya, asraya, sam plus asraya, sampurna asraya, complete shelter. Yatpada samsraya suta, O Suta Goswami. This is the verse spoken by the Shaunakadi Rishi assembled in Naimisharanya. They are speaking the word to word meaning. Yatpada, the lotus feet. Whose lotus feet? Samsraya, whoever has taken the shelter of that lotus feet. O Suta Goswami. Munayaha, great sages. Who has taken the shelter of this lotus feet? Great sages, Munayaha. Prasamayanaha, absorbed in devotion to the Supreme Lord. Prasamayanaha, great absorption in the devotion service to the Lord. Sadhya, at once. Punanti, sanctify. Sadhya punanti upasprushtaha, simply by association. Upasprushtaha, sprushtaha upasprushta, simply by association. Swardhuni, of the sacred Ganges. Apaha, water, the water of Ganges. Swardhuni apaha anusevayaha, bringing into use. Yat pada samsraya sutaha, O Suta Goswami, whoever, yat padaha, lotus feet, whose lotus feet, samsraya, taking shelter of, munayaha, great munis and rishis, prasamnayaha, absorbed in the devotion, the great munis who are absorbed in the devotion service and completely take shelter of this lotus feet of the Lord. Sadhya punanti upaspraha, just by association, they will be bringing into the use as swardhuni apaha, they just sanctify. Punanti, punya, the sanctity brings. So this is the synonym explanations. Let us see the translation. Sutaha, O Suta Goswami, O Suta, these great sages who have completely taken shelter of the lotus feet of the Lord can at once sanctify those who come in touch with them. Whereas the waters of the Ganges can sanctify only after prolonged use. Especially in this particular verse, the glories of the pure devotees, the Munayaha. Who are these great sages? The great devotees, great sages Munayaha. Prasamayanaha, Prasamayanaha. They are great absorbed in devotion and they have taken samsrayaha, of the Lord. Yat pada samsrayaha. They have taken the complete shelter of the lotus feet of the Lord. And sadhyaha, immediately they makes punanti, the sanctify, the purify the place just by upasprushtaha, just come in touch with them. Whereas Swardhuni, the waters of the Ganges is mentioned as Swardhuni, apaha means water, anu sevayaha, repeated use of Ganges water, one will get the sanctity. Whereas these Muneha, the great devotees, the sages who are prasamayanaha, completely absorbed in the devotion to the Lord, and they have completely taken shelter of the Supreme Personality of God. They have this power, a potency to purify just simply by their associations. So this is a translation. Now let us see the purport. The pure devotees of the Lord are more powerful than the waters of the sacred river Ganges. This is the point, it should be very clear. Because in this verse the word is mentioned, Swarubhi Anusmriya, very repeatedly, prolonged time if you use this Ganges water, whereas this Munya, the pure devotees, simply by their associations, they sanctify. That's why pure devotees of the Lord are more powerful than the waters of the sacred river Ganges. One can derive spiritual benefit out of a prolonged use of the Ganges water. But one can be sanctified at once by the mercy of a pure devotee of the Lord. In Bhagavad Gita, it is said that any person, regardless of birth, as Sudra, a woman or merchant, can take shelter of the lotus feet of the Lord, and by so doing can return to Godhead. So here the reference is coming from the Bhagavad Gita, how the Lord is especially merciful for all classes of people, whether they are born in as a Shudra, Vaishya, Shudra or Sri. If they simply has taken shelter of the lotus feet of the Lord, they will be returning to back home, back to Godhead. To take shelter of the lotus feet of the Lord means to take shelter of the pure devotee. So these has to be understood very identical. To taking the shelter of the Supreme Personality of Godhead is identical as the taking shelter of the Supreme Personality of Godhead's devotees, the pure devotees. The pure devotees whose only business is serving are honored by the names Prabhupada and Vishnupad. Here Yat Pada, the Pada is a lotus feet, Yat Pada, this particular word is giving the honor to the names Prabhupada. Prabhupada, Pada, lotus feet of the Krishna, and Vishnupada, the lotus feet of Vishnu. The Krishna is the Prabhu and his lotus feet. The pure devotee's only business is serving the lotus feet of Vishnu or Krishna, which indicates such a devotee to be representatives of the lotus feet of the Lord. So these pure devotees are completely surrendered to the lotus feet of the Lord, and they represent the lotus feet of the Lord by serving and by taking association and by taking shelter of this pure devotee. Means we are taking shelter of the lotus feet of Krishna. So this indicates such devotees to be representatives of the lotus feet of the Lord, and anyone therefore who takes shelter of the lotus feet of a pure devotee by accepting the pure devotee as his spiritual master can be at once purified. So it is a prerequisite for all of us to accept the spiritual master who is the pure devotee, who is completely taken shelter of the lotus feet of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Such devotees of the Lord are honored equally with the Lord because they are engaged in the most confidential service of the Lord. So these spiritual masters whom we are accepted, the representatives of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and they should be honored as good as God. For they deliver out of the material world the fallen souls whom the Lord wants to return home back to Godhead. So they are very most confidential servitors of the Lord. They have only business to deliver the fallen conditioned souls from this material world, returning home back to Godhead. Such a pure devotees are better known as wise lords according to the revealed scriptures. So they are as good as God. The sincere disciple of the pure devotees considers the spiritual master equal to the Lord. So the qualification of a sincere disciple is this, that he accepts the spiritual master is as good as God, but always consider himself to be a humble servant of the Lord. This is the pure devotional path. So His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada is one of the pure devotees which we see and which we observe and which we are taking shelter in the Brahma Madhava Gaudiya Sampradaya. So when we accept him as a spiritual master, by taking his shelter as lotus feet and by serving him, by pleasing him, Yasya Prasada Bhagavat Prasada, then will please the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And whoever following in his footsteps is there also considered in the path of pure devotional service. And how their mood and mission, their mood is to be humble, servant of the Lord. That is the way they consider. But for the sincere disciples, these pure devotees has to be considered as good as God. These are scriptural injections. Here another important point we understand, that taking shelter of the Supreme Personality of Godhead means to take the shelter of the pure devotees of the Lord. So these pure devotees of the Lord are the confidential servitors of the Supreme Personality of Godhead who deliver the conditioned souls who are depending on them. In this way, ones take to the service of the Lord, and these are more powerful than the sacred river Ganges. So this is the potency of the lotus feet of the Lord, and who under the lotus feet of the Lord, this Vishnupada and Prabhupada, they are taken shelter of the lotus feet of the Lord, and they were immersed in the service to the Lord. Prasammayanaha, completely absorbed in the devotion to the Lord. Samsrayaha yat padaha, the lotus feet of the Lord, they have completely taken shelter, and with which they have the potency to deliver all the fallen conditioned souls. So this is the sub and substance of the pure devotees over the sacred Ganges. One more time we'll recite this verse and conclude our topic of today. Yat पादसंश्रयः सूता मुनया प्रसमायनाः साध्या पुनन्ति उपस्पृष्टा स्वर्धूनि आपो अनुसेवया. Om Tat Sat. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much.